Looks just like this. I'm pink, and we're gonna
Hi guys, welcome back to our
video.
So we're gonna be showing
our Sephora
favorites. What?
We're gonna be showing our Sephora favorites. Petey just had a birthday, and so we wanted to show you what she got from Sephora. And
okay, I'm gonna start.
Okay, she's gonna start. We get a good.
Okay, guys, this is the bag.
Like over here. Here, come over. Yeah, there we go.
This is the bag called Gleamy Dreamy Ringling Sephora Favorites.
I'm so excited. And I'm going to be showing my Sephora favorite lip set. It's giving Nudes.
I'm going to be showing this.
Okay, so let's see. This is Petey's first item. So what is this? This is Say. So she has the multi-use illuminizer. Okay, a little bit of this.
You better be nice to my mom when she's talking.
Be
Clock
nice.
it. And I eat it with no crumbs.
Well, two of these products Mommy will be getting, which will be the milk.
My mom will be taking those.
It is the milk.
And I got
Hydro Grip Primer.
Airbrow.
This is by Kosas. Do you want to put a little highlight on?
Yeah.
Yeah? Put a little highlight?
I didn't.
Let's see.
Okay, I want to show you guys
What's next?
this foundation.
It's a blush.
A blush.
Show the camera your hand. Hold right there. So come over some. There we go. That's her swatch of the Huda Beauty. What's next? Ooh, is that a Prada lipstick?
Can you hold the cap?
Yes.
This is it.
That's the Prada lipstick, right? Okay, rub it in. Ooh, okay.
This is the blush that's Benetton, and it's in a little cute, such a cute bottle.
It's so tiny.
It's so yeah.
Do you want to put some on?
Yeah. But there's this little Ulta stuff that's like little tiny, and it's so cute.
Ready? Come in the camera, and I'm gonna let Petey blend it in. Now you can tap in your blush.
Wait.
There you go.
It's like a light blush. Like, it's not that.
It's very natural.
Yeah, it's not. It's light. It's like clean.
And then the Refy Topez Gloss Highlighter. Okay, what's next, Petey?
Gloss. Rare Beauty Blush.
Rare Beauty Blush.
I put some on.
You want to put some on? This is in the color Happy. Smile.
Wait, this is blush?
It is.
I thought it was for lip.
Nope, it's blush. You can put some on your lips though.
You blend it in for me.
Smile. Action.
So, what else?
Too Faced Mascara Ribbon Wrap Lash.
I'm gonna show you guys and put some on. So, it's like this.
Come over here to me. Yeah. Hold
Can you
on.
like put your hand behind it?
Come down. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll send it down. But it's so pretty. And can you put some on?
Sure. I can put some on you. Let's see. Come up.
This eye looks really darker.
This one?
This one. Could you blink?
Yep. Ooh, okay.
Yeah, buff my eye, besties.
All right. What's next?
So this is my lips gloss. It's Tower 28, and the color is
Watermelon?
cute watermelon kiwi, and that's it.
Yep.
And that's it. So I'm gonna try some on, and I'm gonna put some on. It's like reminding me of Roblox for Tower.
For Tower. All right. Ready? Okay. Hold on. Just getting used to the viewfinder. Rub it in. There you go. Okay.
Oh,
I know. But I think it's perfect. So do you like your kit?
I'm trying to make my head straight, but I seem like I can't.
But other than that, you think it's an A+? Here.
My little solar pop.
Do you think it's an A+? Okay. So I'll take that as a yes. Now that she did her kit, Mama is gonna get into her kit.
Mama Bear is gonna do it.
Yes, excuse you. Let's switch. We're gonna go into the Sephora lip favorites. This is the kit. This kit contains 7 products. You're gonna get the House Labs by Lady Gaga. This is gonna be a full-size product, and it is her PhD Hybrid Lip Glaze in Cocoa, and it just looks like this. Love. The other thing that you're gonna get is the Merit Signature Lip Sheer Lip Liner in the color Capricorn. Now this we can actually go ahead and put on. This I'm so stoked about. It's a perfect brown shade, one that's gonna be universal for all skin tones. It's very gel-like on my skin. But there it is next to the Say multi-use highlighter. So it's okay. It's very, very wet. You have to have dry lips, nothing on it, no lip, no prep for this to adhere to the lip. But other than that, I'm still pretty stoked about it. Okay, the next thing that I'm super excited to try, actually what I'm gonna put on my lips next is gonna be the Laneige Glaze Praise Tinted Lip Serum in Sugar Glaze. Honestly, I only have the sleep mask. It looks like this. The little applicator looks like a little donut. It's super cute. So let's, okay. It's very donut. Yeah, I'll let Petey try it. Not too much. It's just very coffee-like.
No, it's like
coffee.
Coconut.
Coconut?
Coconut and coffee.
I don't like those real foodie
Ew,
like.
it stays on my tongue.
I told you. The kit also comes with the Flawless Forget the Filter Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Nourishing. It's plumping, soothing, and nourishing, and it just looks like this. Super pretty. And this is in the shade Nudie. Super stoked to try it, but can you guys see that? Mine also came with a little miniature lipstick, but this is a YSL. This is supposed to be their Oil Shine Liquid Plump, but it is very soft in texture. Shade, it's a very soft light pink. It's right here. Yeah, right there. Like their oil balm textured. Also, you got a Makeup Forever mini lip gloss. This is so cute. This is Forever Walnut. So 06 Forever Walnut. A lot of people are talking about this shade. This shade and Limitless Brown are like go-to shades within the Makeup Forever range right now. This is their miniature Super Boost lip gloss. But I was hoping the Laneige was kind of giving.
Can I see?
We just got another package from Sephora. I'm gonna let Petey open this one for me. Petey, get a butter knife or some scissors, okay? And then the last thing from the Sephora favorites, the Tarte Maracuja, these names, you guys, okay, is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Plumping Oil. And that just looks like this. So this one just looks like this. It's super cute, but we love that. We love miniature makeup over here. Oh, she's real. Mocha Choca Latte, honey. She's right here. Very rich. It's on the taupier side. Well, so yeah, I'm so excited. So we got this. We are.
Bye bye. I love you.
Oh, she loves you guys. We are so happy. Yeah, subscribe. I was gonna say thank you for
comment and share.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye. Mwah.